Welcome to Globe Gazing, where we explore the world's hidden gems. In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 less-known tourism facts about Argentina. So let's get globe gazing. Fact number 1. Iguazu Falls. Located in the northernmost part of Argentina, Iguazu Falls is a collection of 275 waterfalls, making it one of the largest waterfalls in the world. The falls are shared with Brazil, and together they make up the Iguazu Falls National Park. Visitors can take a boat tour to get up close and personal with the falls, or walk along the numerous trails throughout the park. Fact number 2. Ushuaia. Known as the southernmost city in the world, Ushuaia is located on the island of Tierra del Fuego. This city is a popular destination for adventure seekers, with skiing, hiking, and boating opportunities. Visitors can also take a trip to nearby Antarctica from Ushuaia. Fact number 3. Wine tourism. Argentina is famous for its wine, and the Mendoza region is one of the best places to experience wine tourism. Visitors can take guided tours of vineyards and wineries, taste the local wines, and learn about the winemaking process. Fact number 4. Glaciers. Argentina is home to over 300 glaciers, including the famous Perito Moreno Glacier in Los Glaciers National Park. Visitors can take a boat tour to see the glacier up close or take a walk on the nearby trails to get a panoramic view. Fact number 5. Tango. Tango is a traditional dance that originated in Buenos Aires, Argentina. Visitors can experience tango by attending a show or taking a tango lesson. There are numerous tango clubs throughout the city, and many offer lessons for beginners. And there you have it, 5 less-known tourism facts about Argentina. Have you visited any of these places or experienced any of these activities? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching Globe Gazing.